Alright, as always friends, I want to help you on this channel. Today we have my 2012 Honda Odyssey, and apparently if you double click the unlock button and hold it in the second time, all the windows and the sunroof will roll down. So let's try it. Oh man, look at that. Wow, that is freaking awesome. Yep, that's the way it's done. Look at that. And then open the sunroof. Wow. I don't think, but I think if you put this in, it'll roll it up. Let's see. Maybe not. Yeah, I thought there was a way. Maybe not. Let's see if it will do the opposite. Okay, it will not roll them up, but it will roll them all down. Now I have to roll them all up. Okay. But that's the way you roll down all the windows with your Honda Odyssey key fob on my 2012. If yours is a 2012, it should work that way as well. Mine's an EXL. I love you all, and I'll see you next time right here with the Gear Shots. Mwah.